Next question is Xinhua News Agency, Mr. Wang, if I'm not wrong. We will try to get a connection to Xinhua. Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you for taking my question. The question is for Dr. Tedros. In Wuhan, the central China city was hardest hit by the epidemic. The number of COVID-19 patients in serious conditions has dropped to 0 on last Friday. So what is WHO's comment on the response efforts in Wuhan? Thank you.
I can start. I mean, that's very, very welcome news to hear that there are no more severe cases, no more patients in Wuhan. China has worked very hard to bring the outbreak under control. I was there for 2 weeks and working directly with ministry officials and officials from all different sectors, from hospitals, through communities, to really see what was put in place to bring those numbers down. And we have learned, the world has learned from China, as it has from all countries that are dealing with COVID-19. And it is welcomed news to hear that there are no severe cases in Wuhan. That city really has had the hardest hit early on. There are a number of cities that are dealing with this now, and we need to continue to learn from Wuhan and how they are lifting those measures, how they are bringing society back to normal, or a new normal in terms of how we are going to live with this virus going forward. But we welcome all actions by all countries that are putting in place measures to suppress transmission, to identify patients early so that those early patients don't progress to severe disease. We welcome the innovation and the treatments that are in clinical trials right now that are looking so hard to find treatments to prevent people from dying from COVID-19. We welcome all, and we thank the healthcare workers who have put themselves on the front lines to care for patients, to be away from their own families to care for patients, to prevent those individuals who are infected with COVID-19 from dying. So nothing but admiration and thanks for the tireless efforts of the people of Wuhan, not just the healthcare workers, but the individuals who stayed in their homes, who adhered to the public health measures for extended periods of time. We take our hats off to you, and we thank you for your commitment and your service, and for sharing with us and the world what you've been able to do. So congratulations to Wuhan on this achievement. And we know that you will remain vigilant to find any additional cases that come, because this is far from over. And we know that, and everyone stands at alert to find cases as quickly as possible.